How to add text-to-speech on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now tap and hold the capture button to take a photo. On this screen, go to the edit option on the right side and tap on the text icon. Then type in any text over the photo. Then tap and hold the text and select text to speech. You have now successfully added text to speech to this photo. You can also change the font style and type of the text by tapping on it. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Then tap on Next at the bottom to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily add text-to-speech on TikTok.